media has been set agog as notable social media personality, Cubana chief priest, continues to blast Afrobeat singer Burna Boy. NaijaNews recalled that an online beef started when Burna Boy threw a subtle shade at the celebrity barman, calling him an Owerri Rick Ross. Drama intensifies as Burna Boy shares some interesting revelations, as the two have continued to trade words back and forth as their fight got messier. As their clash continues to heat up, Cubana chief priest made some statements about how he got his Grammy award, stating that this is the reason he is also pained and going about looking for who to displace his anger on. He wrote, "It is so clear, because how is it even possible that someone who brags to be so rich go dey live in so much pain? Wetin dey pain you? Shebi na you be African princess? Only you rush bend down collect Grammy, only you still dey cry. Oil full your Grammy. We know how painful it was. That is why you want everybody to feel the pain with you. You really suffer, I understand." It will be recalled that an online drama had started with the singer taking to his social media page to shade the businessman. In the post he made, he referenced Cubana chief priest as Owerri Rick Ross, which sparked a series of reactions from him. Recalled that Cubana chief priest had claimed in one of his posts that Burna Boy was owing debt for jewelry. Burna Boy, who reacted to this, noted that the kind of lifestyle he lives is such that pays for everything he buys completely in cash. He added that he doesn't owe money like Cubana chief priest boss, else his face would have been all over the blogs. Burna Boy wrote, "You don't score yourself. Everybody in Lagos knows my style. All my shit paid for. Sometimes cash sef. If not, I for dey all the blogs by now for owing debts like your boss. Go to Kuskaris and service one of your stolen cars, abeg. I wan see something. Rosari, Igbo voice. Make I relax actually. I no want make you go jail." We'll continue to monitor the story closely. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more entertainment news updates.